YouTube video in 2 fucking years. Where have I been? Well, I've been making TikTok content, making Instagram content, making Pinterest content, everywhere but YouTube, because YouTube was such a pain in the butt. But now I know exactly what I need to do. I got a new camera, I got a new lens. Your girl is out here doing the work. And that's why I'm coming to you today, to show you this fabulous tutorial to get this style. So stay tuned. Hello, good morning. So it's actually 2 o'clock p.m. so it's not really morning, but here we are. Let's go ahead and take this off because see, this is from the Indian clay mask that I did and that's upsetting me. Anywho, and then I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair and start on the braids. Doing this on camera is way harder than I expected. Alright, so I have finally gotten it to where it looks decent. One thing about me, I hate parting. Parting sucks and it takes forever. Like, if I try to part my hair more than 3 times and I don't get a straight line, I'm gonna scream. I have to take a 15-minute break because now I'm mad. Because what in the world? I'm going to do the twist out last. That'll be the last thing I do. Now I'm just gonna work on the braiding pattern. And I kind of want to do a heart pattern. Whoa. I think I might be getting over my head, but I'm gonna attempt the heart pattern. Let's see. I think I want to do it on this side. Okay, so I'm gonna leave like a box. I don't know how much I'm supposed to leave. I want it to be small, so okay, we got one little pot. Let's get 2 little pot. Does that look like a heart? Okay, I feel like it's gonna see my heart. Hold on, let me see. Yes. Yes, who am I? Who am I? Am I a braider? Okay, so now that I got that done, it took forever. It literally took like an hour to do, but I think I'm just gonna do something simple and just do braids going here, braids going there, something simple. Here, yeah, right here. $4:25. Hopefully I can be done at least by 6 o'clock. Lord have mercy. Gosh, braiding just takes forever. Now I see why these girls be charging $20,000 to braid, because it does take a lot out of your soul. But the problem is they're charging $20,000 and they're not washing and shampooing and getting me my favorite snacks to eat. And let me give you some life updates. I appreciate y'all for watching. Honestly, I really do. Like, I see all the support. Now a full-time content creator. I wasn't before, but I am now, and I'm absolutely love it. I was in nursing school, but I decided to take a little break and pursue my dreams full force, which is I love content creation and I want to see where it takes me. And I know everybody is practically practically a content creator full-time, but when done correctly, it can take you far. I want you guys to know about me. Like, I feel like you guys know hair Andrea, but I want you guys to know my personality, and that's why I wanted to do YouTube more, just so I can show my personality more. And I'm glad I'm back. I know it's been forever, 2 years since I made a long form video. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, and 4 on my left side. Alright, so now it's time to twist it up. I'm going to be using Alikay Naturals lemongrass twisting butter of this as my leave-in conditioner. I used it before in this video. I've used Twist, like I said in that last video, and it wasn't bad. It just, I don't feel like it really moisturized my hair, but I feel like this shea butter, oh my god, moisturizes it so well. So I'm gonna give myself like a tiny trim. Barely a light dusting, that's what I'm gonna call it. Light dusting. And usually when I do styles that require blow drying, I don't use gel, and the reason why is just because I can use this blow dried hair for another day. Like, say my twist out is getting old and I want to use something else, I just use some more shea butter and then do a different style. Which I'm using to get that curl look. There we go. Let's put these two. Alright, so it's the next day and my hair is fully dry. It still feels really good and moisturized. I didn't sit underneath the dryer, but my hair wasn't really wet to begin with, and I think that it's fine. So I'm going to go ahead and take this down. I'm going to put a little bit of oil on my hands and then go ahead and take out my hair. So this is the oil I'm going to be using. Again, I always use this oil. I don't know why, but I think it's mostly because it has Ayurvedic herbs in it and it smells like cake. So you know Camilla Rose, it always smells so scrumptious. So now that I've finished taking out my hair, it looks so good. I love it, but I gotta do the back. Now, there's a whole big line in the back of my head, so I just gotta go and fluff that out. So usually I just take my hands and I just start fluffing. I found my pick It is broken, but I'm still gonna use this. Also, if anyone's wondering what lip combo I have on, MAC, Fenty, and then this one is the Chestnut. So get into the lip combo, babe. I'm not a makeup girly, but it sure do look like it, don't it? So I took my pick. I'm going to pick in the middle of my head. I'm gonna pick that out. Fluff it that way. It's not. To be honest, I have no idea what my freaking head looks like, but hopefully it looks fine. So this is my hair without fluffing, just taking it out, but I like to fluff with my pick. So I'm just going to fluff at the root. Okay. And when I pick my hair, I like to pick out the ends. And a lot of people say, you know, when you're picking your hair, don't pick out the ends. I personally like it, but to each its own. If you don't like it, then you do not have to pick it out, but I like to do it. I am going to go in with Eco Styler. Then I'm going to finish off with Kiss. And I already have like 2 edges done already, but I'm just gonna do a little bit, not too much, because sometimes when you do your edges too much, then the style gets frizzy. You see this? Very baby edges. After fluffing, doing my edges, taking out the curls, getting that part in the back situated, making sure it's fluffed out, this is the final look. Please let me know if you enjoyed the video. I have so much more content coming out very soon. I really do appreciate you guys for watching all the way through. Even if you skip through, make sure to follow me on my socials so that you can see all my videos coming up, even my 15-second videos. I know this was a long one. I'm so used to 15 seconds, but I want to make the effort to do long form content. So I appreciate you guys for even watching. So thank you so much.